When my grandmother found me at 3 weeks old, after being left alone, not knowing my mother until I was about a teenager, no one knew that I would become an avid farmer, gardener, pepper sauce, what should I say, entrepreneur, of course, because I have a brand, you know, enjoying the life of gardening, especially in a cold country. So this is just to say, whatever your aspirations are, just pursue it. Don't let nothing stop you. If it's what you like, if it's what you love, just go for it. Life is just for living. And I'm just going to show you a few of the things that I love to do by growing peppers right here in London. Hey guys, welcome to my garden. It's chili time, and chili as in pepper, spicy chilies. But yes, it's getting chilly. The weather is changing. The peppers are ripening and it's harvest time. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Donna. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel, where you'll get a lot of different things growing right here in my back garden, including gungo peas. Who knew that you'd be getting gungo peas growing right here? And you can get to see my massive cabbage. See my massive cabbage. This is another variety of chili peppers. This is called the jalapenos, and I love it. I love how they've changed colors when they're getting to be fully ripened. So it starts off with this beautiful green, and then what you'll notice, it goes to this orangey looking color, yes, or even this dark color here, and then it even moves to this color, and then suddenly it is this bright orange. Yes, it is it's a fascinating pepper. I just love it. There's a few and then guys, it's firm. Harvesting your jalapenos, look for the firmness of the pepper. Don't leave it too long on the tree, because look, if you look at this one, that's firm, pretty firm. If you leave it long on the tree, it will go soft like this one. Have a look at this one. You see, this one starts to crimple, and it's a reason why I left it, because I wanted to do the video and get all of them right. But you can see that there's still green ones on the tree. It's so beautiful. I tell you, so these peppers this year has really makes me smile. I'm not kidding you. And I think there's a young one coming. Look, I don't know if we have enough time for that. But that's good. That's good. And then there's another firecracker here. This one is the orange one. And if you notice that the color is so beautiful. It's one of my favorite color, this one. But what really stuck in my mind is that when it's ripening, it ripens from the middle. You see, it ripens from the middle. Look, it slowly, and then goes to the tip. Let me see if I have a full green one here. And even it goes, and when it's fully ripened, let me pick this one. When it's fully ripened, guys, and dried, this is what it looks like. But be careful, wear your gloves. Don't be going and trying these without your gloves, please, okay? Right, I'm just trying to see if there's one that starts to ripe. Okay, have a look at this one. This is a green one. And it starts to ripe right there. You see that? It starts to ripe. So give it a few days and it will just, the whole pepper will just suddenly become fully orange. So this is another chili. Forgot the name, so it's don't beat me up on this one, okay? Moving on over to another jalapeno. But this jalapeno is the red jalapeno. Wow. And what you notice here, when a pepper is growing, guys, it starts from the crotch. There was one right here, and it fell off. But this is an example. This is a Y crotch. You can call it the V, look, V, or the Y crotch. So it always bear one within the crotch of the stem. and then it goes up another one. But this is another jalapeno, but this is the red jalapeno. And if you notice, look, it's green. It bears green, very green, dark green, and then it ripens. But when it's ripening, it ripens from the tip upwards. So peppers, they're hot, spicy, a new addition to the garden as well. I mean, every year I try to have something different. So, and sometimes you'll get two bearing in the crotch, in the Y or the V, right here. So every angle, it goes up V, then it goes there, another V, and then it forms another V. So this is how the peppers will grow. So just like this, if you see V here, then you have another V there, then you have another V, and it goes right. And it bears, this is how peppers are grown in the crotch, in the stem of the V or the Y. So you can call it Y, you can call it V, however you want to call it. But that's how peppers are grown. But these are a new addition to the garden this year. They're beautiful. They just add vibrancy and colors. And I'm amazed. I am actually amazed. So guys, I am going to get ready to harvest them and show you how I harvest my peppers. Ooh, what am I looking at? You might think it's a tomato. No, it's not. It's a chili pepper, guys. It's a hot chili tomato pepper, and it's growing here in London. Listen, when you're growing peppers, chilies, the Scotch bonnet pepper, any form of pepper, you have to be quick with it, in a sense where you can't work against nature. Now it's time to harvest our peppers because time is running out. Winter is coming up fast. You want to make sure that you put your gloves on when you're handling hot peppers. Lime scale, I give them a hard time, man. I don't know what. So when you're harvesting your peppers, guys, you get your gloves and you get your scissors and you snip it. Can you hear? Snip that one. Snip that. Turn around. I'm going to cut. Scissors. Oh, that's a big bee. Snap. Yeah. And get another few here. But equally, you can just break them from the stem like that. See? You don't even have to use the scissors. Just take it from the stem. If you look, just take it from the stem like this. You see this one here? I just break that off from the stem. I'll show you one here. Break that off. Yeah, see? So that's done. Break this one. So I won't pick, I think all of it. I'll leave this one here. It's not fully ripe yet to call the others. Right, so we continue cutting some more. There we go. It's gonna be fun doing this one. I'm just gonna pick this one with my hand. The scissors is not. So hear that? Pick that off. It's a lot off. And don't leave them on the tree to get dry out. Right, guys? Don't leave them on there to get dry. So hear that? So see that one? Good. Right. Oh, it's coming to the end of my tomato pepper season. All right, let's move on to the next one. We have another chili here, guys, that is called the Hungarian Hot Wax. So you see, this is a color that it starts off with. Then it goes to a little purpley color. Yeah, and then it goes a little orange. Then it goes another light orange. Goes bright orange. See? Very bright orange. So that's the beauty of growing these chili peppers, where you see them changes from colors. At least 3 colors it changes to before it gets to this bright. So this one, you can tell this is very, very, very bright. All I will do is just use my hand and just pick them off. Scissors is going to be too much to get into these ones, so I'll just pick these. Ooh, and I broken I broken the leaf, but Even if you pick them like this and you have them indoors, they will slowly ripen to the original color, to the color that it's meant to be. So pick them from the stem, guys. Remember, when you pick them from the stem. Leave the stem on. The stem will keep it for at least, keep the firmness of it until when it becomes dried. Pick it from the stem. Oh, I keep breaking it. I keep breaking them. They're very brittle, isn't it? Right, okay, let's move on to another one. This is another jalapeno, but it's a bigger one. And remember I said I shine it. We use my little cloth and clean them off because of the lime scale that makes them look white. We'd want them to look really nice and shiny. So, yeah, clean them down. And the peppers are getting cleaned down. So, yes. So, this one now I'm going to use the scissors to cut it. Yeah, it might be easier to just pick this one through here. Yeah. And pick this one through that one. Yeah. Yep. Get that one out. I'm done. Yeah, we got a few out. That's it. Right. So what you're looking at is the Carolina Reaper. Well, what I was saying is that you know it by the shape of it. That long tail. You see the tail? You see that sting in the tail. It's not fully ripened yet. I've got a lot on the tree, but because, I'm in London and the weather is not that, look at this beautiful one. The one here big and pretty. Oh, look, where's this one tail? You don't have no tail. The one that have no tail at all. But yeah, still lots of blossom on the tree. But see, this is the Armageddon, and I made sure I have the label in here. The chili Armageddon. This has a distinct smell like the Scotch bonnet pepper. That's why I grow a lot of them. They're not all ripened as yet. They're not fully ripened, but yes. And they do carry a tail as well. But yeah, they have a great smell and it's very hot, not to be played about with. Don't play with these peppers. When I say hot, they're very, very hot. So this is the second one. And I have the ghost. Let me bring you over to the ghost. So this is the ghost, guys. You can tell from the long, crinkly look of it, but it ripens orange, and it's not. This Gusto purple chili is another amazing chili. It ripens red, but before it ripens this crimson red, look how beautiful that is. Very beautiful. That's the original color when it's born, but yeah, it goes to this color. Look, it comes to this brown color. I don't know if you can see that brown color. If you notice the tip of it is going red. Look at the other one here. So yeah, I have to shine them off because the lime scale after watering makes them go white. So I have my little thing that I shine off my peppers with. So yes, so that's the color that eventually it will turn fully red like this one. So yeah, this is the Gusto purple chili. It's another nice one, and there is another one here that it has two colors. It has two colors, and eventually it will start to get to that color, yeah, and then it will turn red. See? So this is that's not the Gusto, but it's another chili. Forgot the name of this one, but yeah, this is the true color at the bottom there. So it starts off being purple and green, yeah, and then it ripens to red. So this is another nice chili pepper that I have. Right. Here is the almighty ghost pepper, one of the hottest pepper that I am growing, and apparently it's one of the hottest pepper in the world. It starts from this color, this kind of, look at, this is the color of the pepper. That's green. Then it you know, starts with a little browny hue, but this is the color of the ghost pepper, a bright orange. Look, what I like most about it is the shape. It curls. Look at this one, curls right down. Then you have the Reaper over here, the second hottest one, and listen, more has ripened. If you look, as we say, we speak about the distinction of the Reaper, the tail, don't mess with it. So look, there's a few ripened ones in there, the second hottest. And then the beauty of the Trinidad Scorpion. Look, the Trinidad Scorpion has that yellow. It's one of my favorite, one of my favorite pepper. It has the shape of, I think there's kind of in similarity to the Armageddon, but never, no man. Look here, so you see, crisp, bright, shiny. This is how your pepper is supposed to look when you know they're healthy. So these are the hot pepper, and over here is the Armageddon. Remember, look, see, bright red. They're all coming up. So these are, I'll speak more about my peppers in another video, so keep tuned. I'm just showing you a few of the hottest peppers that I'm growing. Look over here. There is, it said, here I am, bright and beautiful. Let's catch the color. Bright and beautiful. This is the Armageddon. Yes, and give you a little hint, the Scotch bonnet just start to come up. See, the scotches just start to come up. After watching this video, guys, and if you're interested and you like the content, please remember to press the like, share, and subscribe, and also leave a comment. I will definitely reply to your comment. So thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate your support.